channel. Today I'll be showing you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This time I've come up with a new algorithm to solve the cube. This algorithm will surely help you to solve the cube much easier than the previous one. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. So now for solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, we'll obviously need to jumble it. But before that, let me tell you a few tips. So for the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, there will be 2 layers, unlike the 3x3 which is 3 layers. So we have to only solve 2 layers, which will be pretty easy, and it will be even more easy if you know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, because most of the algorithms from this are as exactly as the ones from the 3x3. So now let's start jumbling the cube. So now our 2x2 Rubik's Cube is jumbled. Now let's start by making the white layer. So for the white layer, we need to put all the pieces correctly on top so that they match with their colors, which is and the white color, of course. So now take a piece that matches with white and green or white and orange. So we need to find a piece. There it is. So I have a white, orange and blue piece which will match with white and orange over here. So it's supposed to go here. So if we put it like this, the other piece will get messed up. So what we do, we push it down, pull this back, then slot it in there so that they both match, then push it back up. So now we've got to find another piece over here or here. So I spot this green, white and red piece. So I have to be dragging it down, then push it there, and then I can easily pull it up. So then we've got our last piece over here, which will obviously go there. Then we'll put this down and push this here and slot it in like I told you before, then push it back. So our first layer is solved, the white layer. So now our first layer is solved. We have to make that white layer face down. Then we just have to solve the top, the yellow layer. Then our whole Rubik's Cube is solved. So there are 2 steps and 2 algorithms for solving the last layer. So the first step is to make the corners, these corners, the pieces face on its right position. It doesn't have to face up like this, but it also just has to stay in its correct position. So over here I'm taking this yellow, green and orange piece. It's luckily facing up for me, but we'll move on to that later. And that piece is facing up. So all I have to do is this algorithm to make all the other pieces come on its right position. L, U, R, U prime, L, L prime, R, U and R prime. So now luckily for me the cube got solved, but I'll go back to the scenario where your cube must not be fully solved. So I'll go back to that scenario. So now I have entered the scenario where our cube does not get solved and our pieces don't go to the correct place where they're supposed to be. Even though they're in the right position, they just have to get twisted. So your cube might look like this, not exactly, but some part of it might. So I have two scenarios over here. So one scenario, I have two yellows facing to my right side, two yellows together, and these two yellows apart from each other. I think you'll be having at least one of this scenario like that. So I'll tell you how to do each of these scenarios right now. So first let me do the scenario where both the yellows are facing one side. So what we do over here, we have to make sure our both yellows are facing towards our right side. So now we do this algorithm. R U R prime U prime R U prime and R prime, then L U2, then L prime U prime L U and L prime. So right now our this side is solved. So that's how it will be if your two yellows are facing this side. But over here, let's do the same algorithm. So I'll be doing it a bit fast. If you don't know how to do this algorithm, you can just go back to where I showed you how to solve this side and do that. So I'll be doing this a bit fast. So now we have come to the same scenario where our two yellows will be facing towards the right side. So what I did here is just making these two yellows which were facing away face together to our right side. So now we'll be just doing the same algorithm again, and then our cube will get solved. There it is, our cube is fully solved. So you can see it was so easy. This video I bet it'll be really short, and it's really easy to solve, and it's really fun for kids to do this, and hope you definitely try to do this. You should try to do this. It's amazing, and hope you enjoyed this video.